Welcome! In this video, we will cover two options on how you can create a visit to do for an existing property. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, utilize the Quick Action panel and click the plus icon, and then select Create a Visit to Do from the menu options. The Add Visit to Do modal will automatically pop up on the screen for you to complete. Search for the desired property, select the service category from the drop-down, and enter the proposed date. You will then use the toggle buttons to select which specific work to do the property would like. If you would like to provide any notes, you can also do so here before clicking Save. If you have more than one visit to do you would like to add, click on the plus button on the top right corner of the screen to repeat this process. If, however, you are already on the schedule screen and you already have the desired property pulled up, you can click the schedule button to accomplish this task as well. Simply select the service category and then click Add Visit to Do. You will confirm the proposed date and toggle on the desired work to do. Add any notes and then click Save to complete the process. Ready to give it a go? Try either of these methods the next time you need to create a visit to do.